What's up, guys? I am on the way out the door. I have all my stuff here. So we're doing a shoot today. I'm really excited about this shoot. It's gonna be official shoot of my paper dress. This is what happened when I was trying to scavenge through my stuff. So it's really messy in there. So and Kiwi's like wondering where I'm going. So all right, guys, I'm gonna drive there. I'm like 30 minutes behind, always late. But I will catch up with you guys when I get there. So yesterday, guys, I was preparing for my shoot and I had to take out all the iPhone pictures out of my phone. It was like 20K pictures. It seriously took like 5 hours or so. Yeah, because it was doing it for like 3 hours and then I went to bed and I just left my computer on. I woke up like 2 hours later and it was done. So yeah, 5 hours, don't do that, guys. That's horrible. So I'm at a stop sign right now, just in case you guys were wondering. But yeah, I'm really excited for this photo shoot. Like, I haven't done like a big shoot like this in a while. Like, I always try to do like one every year. So this is gonna be my paper dress, like I told you guys, and it's inspired by, of course, the Lunar New Year. So I'm gonna be doing the shoot for that. And then Lunar New Year's, if you guys don't know what that is, it's like Chinese New Year. So that's next week. It's next Saturday, next Saturday on the 17th of February. What's up, guys? So we're outside of Elmo's place right now. She's nowhere to be found. I'm just kidding, just waiting for her to open the door for us. But yeah, us being me and the dress. So we're just chilling, waiting. Dang, it's cold. We did manage to get our food. What's up, guys? So we just finished doing the makeup and now me and Elmo are setting up all the stuff for the shoot and we're looking for the background right here. Dude, whatever y'all need, it's here. You can just open the garage. It's coming out. Sun comes up. It needs to be more like more pun. Girl, how much? How much supposed to take? Hey guys, this is the final look. Hey, what do you think of the hair?
It's awesome! OMG! I can't believe we did this.
Awesome. But the back though. There you go, there you go. I gave y'all that 360. Alright, guys, and that's a wrap. Woo! Hey! Toua, you just ruined the shot! and I'm home and I'm tired. That was a really long shoot, but it was a really successful shoot. I felt like I got the shot that I imagined in my mind. There's a long process of planning and getting everyone together, so I'm really excited to show you guys the final pictures, and I'm excited to work on them. And I was just really excited to just work with another artist, Dre, that understood my vision for the hair. So thank you, Dre, and thank you for being a part of this, and thank you to the model, Sheng. You guys believe that's only her second photo shoot like ever? So she's great. She's such a trooper. She stuck it out for a couple hours with us. Hi, Kiwi. And of course Elmo for always helping me, and Toua for swinging by and always helping out. So I'm glad to have a really good support system and always helping me in my crazy ideas, even though I'm always like, okay, we'll be done. Wait, let's shoot again. Wait. So that's always me. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna include the pictures here so you guys can see the final pictures. I'm gonna be working on them this week because I want to get it up for Lunar New Year, which is Chinese New Year. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that and enjoyed watching the process. And if you guys want to see more of something from a shoot, let me know, because it's really hard to do like vlogs while I'm at the shoot because I'm trying to run around and do stuff, especially today since I was doing makeup and photography, so that was hard to do. If you guys want to keep connected with me on Instagram at Peter Fungus, on Snapchat at Peter Fungus, and on Facebook at just Peter Fungus. See you guys in the next one.